Hey, hey.
Bless up everybody.
You don't know, we're at Blue Lagoon, so I'm the host of Blue Lagoon Tours. So we're going to take a day tour to show you what Blue Lagoon is like.
Alright, so guys, we are in Portland, and Blue Lagoon is one of the lagoons that has never been bottomed before. Let us say that. Alright, nobody has ever reached the bottom before. So, let's journey.
Straight up.
Oh guys, this is so cool. Gavin, hold on to the boat when we just come in, you know?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. So, anything you want to say, Errol?
Yeah man, well they claim to say Blue Lagoon is 65 meters deep. Them days that David Lee bottom it, but Blue Lagoon can't bottom.
Yeah.
So right now we'll take a tour of the Monkey Island and Sansan Harbor. So that's my father.
Yes,
Yeah.
Daddy. Big up.
Big up.
I mean,
Alright.
Big up.
Benton. So
Over here, so used to be the restaurant and bar right here.
Oh,
Hurricane Ivan 2004 that have been destroyed.
really?
Also this movie Club Paradise with Robin Williams, Speedo to Jimmy Cliff, they film it right here.
Oh,
And a part of Cocktail with Tom Cruise also.
oh, nice.
Alright? So this is the actual Blue Lagoon we're on right here now. Then we're going to go on the Caribbean over here now.
Oh,
Right here it's about
Right here, it's about 12 feet right here.
12 feet.
Oh,
Whoa.
they used to fishing right here.
eh?
Yeah, before they have the fishing stand to it.
Oh, so this is a fishing
All
site.
these are villas you can rent.
Oh, so
Yeah,
these
some
are.
of them like 4-bedroom,
Oh, nice.
need up to 8 person.
Oh,
And the price ranging from about 1,000 US a night upward.
all right, guys. So these are villas, in case you're not hearing so
So
well.
it includes 3 staff, a waiter, a chef, and a housekeeper.
Okay.
And they are individual home.
Oh, right. So these are nice villas. Hey, this place is so nice.
Also rafting to the Monkey Island.
Oh,
Rafting on the ocean.
yeah, rafting, so nice. Well, guys, we already know what this is, a canoe boat.
Yep.
Yeah, so we're Gav.
I'm enjoying the view.
Nice clear water.
It is. It's nice.
So guys, whenever you guys want to take on this experience, remember you can come and ask for Plucky
And Benton.
Benton.
or Benton. Right,
Or-
these guys are awesome.
Yeah. Oh, and of course, Blue Lagoon Tours is on Instagram. Alright, that's Blue Lagoon Tours Portland, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, guys, so go like and follow Blue Lagoon Tours
Where can we find Blue Lagoon Tours?
on Instagram. Okay, so we're closer to them.
And so this villa coming up now, this is the Tom Cruise Day for the cocktail. Right here.
Oh, this is the
Yeah,
this
Tom
one.
slept here. Tom Cruise slept by that place.
Oh, nice.
While he was filming the movie cocktail. So
Oh.
the villa owned by God this show. Yeah, we're all sending.
Yeah.
And that's for this. It's good. Oftentimes, like Sean Paul, 50 Cent, all of them normally come down here. Have parties.
Ziggy Marley,
Yeah.
stay right here.
Right here, so. Okay.
When it comes to Portland tour.
Oh. Oh, nice. But this is nice too.
Yeah, man, nice villa too.
Yeah.
And Snoop Dogg stay by the screen one night.
Oh.
Snoop Dogg.
Yo.
Come on, this nice
So
man.
that's Monkey Island.
Oh, so we're heading to Monkey Island. Okay, nice.
So Monkey Island is right here, guys.
Hey, look at how we actually come over to the sea, guys.
Apparently, they build this big hurricane, right?
What?
The design of the building here.
Well, this bill way back in the 60s, you know.
This one.
Yeah, way back in the 60s.
This is nice.
Yeah, man. This is where the rich guy come and chill out.
Yeah.
Yeah, this the burn down hurricane.
No, the other one is like,
Which
Oh,
one?
this one.
Oh.
Learn that. That's how people here in French fun.
Oh, yeah. This is so cool, though. This is nice to have a
Okay. Okay, guys. So this is where we are staying at Goblin Hill.
Yeah, Goblin Hill.
So we showed the view down yesterday.
Yeah. This is so cool. Man, Portland is just the best.
Portland is just a chill out lifestyle.
Yeah.
Not much.
Relaxation.
Nice relaxation.
Yeah.
Let us go
without going in.
This is beautiful, guys. Check this out, man. White sand.
Find this?
Yeah. The rocky road until it get tight. So now you can't step up in it.
Alright.
Well, you can't take off the jacket.
So, Colonel now, from here look you with me sail for the boat friend.
Eh?
Colonel never teach me how to sail the boat.
Eh?
Yeah.
Mr. Water.
Didn't Shana come out?
Feel good.
So they also call this the Pelou Island.
The pillow.
Yeah, that's how California.
Oh.
So on a normal day now we have much more sun. Come out, enjoy. Nice to one land. Right, it's now.
Oh, yeah.
Just mix you up. Wet up your skin. Just rub it on your skin.
So that's limestone.
Yeah. And then you just let it dry on your skin and then you wash it off.
Like it, yeah?
Whoa. No. That way. Alright. Go on, Era, lead the way. Me climb behind you.
Baby, hold on here. Make it tomboy chip in. Make it tomboy part.
So guys, we're hiking what, Monkey Island? We're hiking Monkey Island. Woo! Our sister is tired. Woo! Guys, around so you can come with your speaker box over here, sir. I have a little party. Yes, it's pure ill. Oh, I got to do it, guys. Gav is not so creative.
Yeah, the creative side is right here.
Right, babe. So that's Gavin plus Shona.
Now push her. Hmm? No. Gone.
No. I
Deep.
suppose me see some close up.
Yeah. Listen them already, man. It's such a pretty. It's in. Could you come up more?
No.
Oh, this is Canopy House.
You can't see one of them, you can't see one of them right here.
Oh, in Turkey?
You can call them boat house and you can call them sailors.
Right there? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, so people
Villa?
go there?
Yeah, man, walk through the stairs and nice. I best get
Oh yeah.
Where's the Mariah Carey stay there?
the beach bar and things.
Oh.
Johnny, you too bad.
See fish? Did we get the fish now? Oh, damn.
Why is it narrow?
Okay guys, so this is the deep section of the lagoon. This is where it gets. Just down.
Okay, this is some pretty picture. I've been forgetting.
Where those people sitting right there, used to be the helipad right there. I can see it, man.
Stop, tell me. Acha, 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 acha. Hey, hey, hey. You like? Acha. You like? You laugh. Go, straight go. Alright.
So right out where they about how deep?
That?
Mm-hmm.
That deep.
That well deep.
Alright. Right, that's what catch me right.
Mm-hmm.
Chest, yeah.
When I water. Bird.
Baby say hey. Watch out, shit, I did not. Float. Yeah. I don't float. Lord husband, I don't float that. Beanie! I don't, no. Yeah, long time. Go on, yeah. Both like that? Oh, alright. So here you can find stuff. This is, what do you call this again? Oh my gosh, I don't remember what this is called, but this is a shaker. Yeah, this one, what do you call this?
Chestnut.
Chestnut.
Yeah.
Yeah, kids use.
Jamaican call it carcoon.
Yes, carcoon. That's the name I was trying to remember. So, you'd find this in country, and this is shaker.
And I call it calabash.
The calabash they used to make the shaker. Yeah, so educated. So if you want souvenirs, Jamaican souvenirs, this is an awesome place to be. Little chest made of bamboo. This is so cool. Jamaica. Nice. And these are some dogs. It's a double-sided dog, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a double-sided dog. And then these are rafts. These are so cool. And this is the Natty Dreadlocks. Yeah, man. Shit, voila. Yeah, nice. Very nice. Then this is a big hut. So there's something for everybody. Doesn't matter what your style is. Oh, and this is so cool. This is actually a key. What do you call this? That the key hanger for the wall? Yeah, for the wall. And so this has the shape of Jamaica and all the 14 parishes. Right?
So
right now we're in Portland. I mean, one of the most fantastic parishes ever. Calabash handbags, yes. So these are calabash handbags. Let's see how one of them look. Alright. This is so nice. Bags and this is your thing now.
So that's why everything has
Bring the stuff this too.
Everybody
And this is what? Plate?
Calabash, made from calabash.
Okay, so this is Blue Lagoon calabash plate. So then buy some jerk pork and some, what am I saying now? Some roast breadfruit. So cool, and water shoes. Nice.
If you go on raise the price.
This cutie?
that look like the turtle on the tour.
Yeah, look like I need from little eyes. Oh, and a seahorse. It's so cool, the earrings are nice. And then
No, we don't get it. But them to come and take photo from this side and use and publish.
Yeah, that place.
Other places. All the while.
nice.
Yes, and
You can go near Twitter.